Guys, this spot right behind me, this gas station spot, they serve fresh sushi. We're not talking about the sushi that's pre-made. They make it right in front of your face, and we're about to try it out. Let's go, travel ahead. We head towards Alameda for a stop at 76 gas station, but we ain't there for gas. Inside their Circle K market is a Sushi Gogo. You get the point, they serve sushi. We got a few locations in the Bay Area. Guys, we are here at Sushi Gogo right now. It's located inside of a gas station. Tell us what we have here today.
So we have a California roll, a tempura roll, a Lion King, and the Lion King with tempura inside.
Lion King with tempura. I never had that. I had everything else, but I never had the Lion King with a tempura. And the things they give us a hand wipe, some soy sauce, wasabi, and ginger. I'm stoked to try this out. So I'm gonna try the California roll first. What are you gonna try?
Tempura roll.
Okay, let's go give it a try. It looks like a regular California roll with the avocado, the crab, how you call the crab meat on the
Imitation crab.
Yeah, and rice and some sesame seeds.
Mine has the sushi rice, tempura, cucumber, and it's like unagi or teriyaki sauce on top.
Looks like teriyaki sauce. Try it out.
The tempura is pretty good. You can taste the sauce. The tempura is kind of soft, but it's still overall pretty good.
Sushi spot in a gas station. I don't really expect much from it, but the California roll is good, you know. Yeah, it tastes like a regular California roll you'll get from your regular sushi spots. But yeah, I like it. It's good. The pieces here, the portions are a little small.
Yeah,
but
they're a bit smaller than the average sushi roll.
Sushi here is affordable compared to your restaurants. Restaurants will probably be like 20-30% more expensive than this. And also, by the way, there's actually a promo right now, so it's like $17, but it's only for this weekend, so too bad, guys. By the time you watch this video, the promo's over. The regular price is like $30-something. On to the next one. So I'm gonna go with the Lion King. Lion King is one of my favorite sushi rolls. I love the baked salmon on top when it's really warm.
And I'll be trying the Lion King, but instead of imitation crab in the middle, there's tempura.
Tempura filling, okay. With a cucumber. So it's basically just like the tempura roll with the salmon on top. Yeah, it's a familiar taste, like the type of Lion King that I really enjoy eating. It's not a lot of mayo, which I like this. It's a balance of everything in the flavor. Nothing's too strong in this Lion King.
The Lion King with tempura is pretty good. You can really taste the fish eggs on top. The salmon's really soft and melts in your mouth.
This place, Sushi Gogo, has a lot of different variety of combos you can buy. And like I said, the price is more affordable than your regular sushi restaurants out there. And you know, where else can you find a sushi spot inside a gas station? Maybe if it's pre-made, but this place, they make it in front of you.
And they don't just offer rolls, they offer organic edamame, they offer seaweed soup, they also offer sashimi.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video of the sushi right here, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and until next time, travel heads.